Welcome back programmers. In the today's section I'm gonna show you how you can put the comment box in your site. So first you can choose any title you want, any post you want, any web page you want. For example, this is my titles, and when I click on the particular titles it is gonna redirecting me to that particular post. So this is my post. So this is my post in my site, but how we can do this? Like you can see in here I got a lots of comments in here. For example, Logan6969 says Barney is awesome. But how you can create the comments like this? For example, when I wrote a comment, I am all in one code, and when I click on the comment, so it is gonna add this comment. You can see it just refresh the page, and when I go down in here you can see I am all in one code. And who wrote this comment? System wrote this comment. I am logged in with my system. You can see in here, hi system. And to do that you can create the form to get the comment. In here you can see if the user is authenticated, means if user is logged in, so on, so print this form. In the form I just use the text area and name equal to comment, so I can get the comment named text, and so on, so I just use the button. In the models.py I just created the root equal to models.foreign key. I just use the foreign key, one to many, or you can say many to one relation. And in here I just pass the blog post. So the blog post is the another model. In here you can see I just got all of this data. For example, all of the blogs I got in here, and it is automatically gonna fetch that title. So in the post comment model you can see I got all of this comment, but when I click on the add comment, you can see when I click on the root you can see I got all of this suggestion, Python search, Python edited post. All of this is the title of my comments, or you can say post, and so on. So I just create the relation between my user model. So you can see I got all of the user, system 1, test 2, test 3 and test 56, and so on. So even I can create user from here, and even I can create the post from here too. So you can see when I click in here the pop-up is popped up, and I can add comments in here. To print the comments I just use the object as post comment model dot objects dot filter root equal to blog obj.id. Now blog obj is nothing but the blog post model dot objects dot get id equal to id. I just got the id from that particular post. So if you wanna do this, link is there in the description, and so on. So I just created the object equal to post comment model, and I just save all of the data. First I get the comment from user, and then I just use the obj user equal to user.objects.get id equal to request.user.id. So I can get whatever user is logged in, and I'm gonna store that user in comment author, and so on. So I just use the obj.comment author equal to comment author, obj.comment body equal to comment body, which is this, and so on. So I just save the data. And for print data I just use the for I in cmnt object, which is the comment object, and I used i.comment author, i.comment body. So that was the short video how you can create the comment in your web page. So that is it for today guys. If you like this video, just like this video, share this video with other programmer, hit on the bell icon so you'll never miss my latest video. See you guys in the next video. Till then, just code.